As you can see from the camera behind me, I've probably been filming. At least you would deduce that. And if you deduce that, you would be correct. I am filming right now. For the next couple of days, we have been clearing the piece of land. A friend of mine came over with a chainsaw. We are clearing, and I am filming a presentation for the Homegrown Food Summit with Marjorie Wildcraft. I'm going to do an hour on clearing and digging garden beds, and I'll give you updates on that really soon. The Jack Broccoli book is like totally edited and all that stuff and ready to go, except for some of the interior illustrations. I've got a guy who does these total pen and ink Hardy Boys illustrations, and so he is doing illustrations for the inside of Turned Earth, a Jack Broccoli novel, my first gardening thriller, and that should be out in a month or so. So look for that, and I'll give you an update when the Homegrown Food Summit thing is going. But I've been so busy cutting and chopping and everything, I haven't really had the camera out much. But today we started filming, I started digging. He has some absolutely beautiful soil over there, but it's totally full of roots and seedlings, and it is a lot of work to clear and dig. So we're going to do a little bit at a time, and I'm going to film it, put together that hour-long presentation, and then you can go watch that for free when the Homegrown Food Summit comes out, and I'll put a trailer up for that. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and I will be back soon with something new. Catch you later. And until next time, may your thumbs always